Tuesday's morning work. Our first problem is asking us to convert 10 cups to ounces. So we did this yesterday for Monday's morning work. We know that there are 8 ounces in 1 cup. So if you have 10 cups, you're going to do 10 times 8 in order to figure out how many ounces there are in 10 cups. This is a new one. We're converting 6 cups to pints. There are 2 cups in 1 pint. So when we're trying to figure out how many pints there are in 6 cups, we have to take our 6 and divide it by 2. Because like I said, 2 cups equals 1 pint. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. There are 3 pints in 6 cups. You're going to follow these same steps for the next 2. 4 cups equals how many pints? 4 divided by 2. 10 cups, 10 divided by 2. The next one, find the value of the underlined digit. So the 1 is underlined. We start at our decimal and we go over. That is in the tenths place, hundredths place. What comes after hundredths place? That's what the 1 is in. The next one, 9,443.2. The 4 in the tens place, so 1's tens place, is blank the value of the 4 in the hundredths place. So yesterday for Monday's morning work, I just wanted you to notice that the 2 numbers were different from each other. Even though they're both 6s, they're in different place values. This number is a lot larger than this 6. So now, today, we're going to take it to the next level. The 4 in the tens place is blank the value of the 4 in the hundredths place. How much larger is this 4 than that 4? Is it 10 times larger? Is it 3 times larger? You have to determine that. Next, we're converting liters to milliliters. So they gave us the value of the milliliters. So now we have to do the opposite and figure out how many liters there are. We're following our King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. So this time they gave us the milliliters. So they gave us this up here. And we need to convert it to liters. We know liters is a unit. So we're going over 1, 2, 3. This time we're going from the right to the left. When we go left to right, we multiply. So right to left, we need to divide 20,000 divided by how many did we go over? We went over 1, 2, 3. Divided by 1, 2, 3. There's zeros in both of them, so we can cross out 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we get 20 as our answer. 20 liters equals 20,000 milliliters. So we already know that we're dividing by 1,000 every time. So that's what you're going to do to solve these ones. 5,000 divided by 1,000. 10,000 divided by 1,000. And 17,000 divided by 1,000. So go ahead and solve those ones. Your last one, find the sum of 1/3, 1/3, 2/3, 1/3, and 1/3. 1b, take the sum, so the answer of that, and divide it by 5. What do you get? If possible, write your answer as a reduced fraction. So our numbers are 1/3, 1/3, 2/3, 1/3, and 1/3. It is asking us to find the sum. Sum means we're adding them together. We notice that our denominators are the same, so we can just add across. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Plus 1 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. So that equals 6 over 3, which is the same as 6 divided by 3. We know that equals 2. So that's part A. Part B says take the sum. So take 2 and divide it by 5. So this is part A. Part B, you're going to solve this on your own. Solve for 2 divided by 5.